Welcome to the Coin House. This house is two apartment house. This door we're gonna access to the apartments on the first floor. Outside, as you can see, they already have a vinyl siding, so there is nothing to do outside. I already changed this handle, and you access the apartment on the first floor in the living room. And this one will be a bedroom. Day before just put a tent here, no door. That's incredible. From here, this wall depends on the time. If I have enough time, I'm gonna open almost everything, so it will be just one ambient with the kitchen. I put those cabinets there because I'm gonna moving the kitchen on this wall, and from that corner to the cabinet corner here, I'm gonna build a wall. So you have this wall with the sink, the range, and another cabinet, and the cabinet up. Here you have really nice cabinets built in. We're gonna paint. Everything will be all frame, window, door will be white, so you have more lights inside the room. Here you have another cabinet, and in this niche, now there is a sink. We're gonna remove this sink. We're gonna put a desk so they can have there a little office at least. Here you have a full bathroom with the sink, bathtub, and the toilet in the back here. The bathtub, probably we're gonna keep this bathtub. We'll try to clean very well. If it's okay, we're gonna keep. Otherwise, we're gonna change. The sink, we're gonna change it. We're gonna put a vanity cabinet. And we change obviously also the toilet, so they can have a new toilet. And here you have the second bedroom. In all bedroom there aren't closet, and for the low here you don't need to put closet. But by the way, probably we're gonna buy some armature, and everywhere we're gonna remove the carpet and this fake wood. We're gonna put all vinyl plank. We're gonna put everywhere vinyl plank because if we're gonna rent, will be easy to keep, and we don't have to change carpet every time that we change renter. From this back door, you access to the stairs. Okay, so on these stairs, go up to the apartment on the second floor. On these stairs, you're gonna access to the basement. Basement is a basement. It's not really good condition. From this door, you access to the back door. That back door will be the only access to the apartment on the second floor. That will be the yard. Is a double lot. Is really deep. As you can see, there is no garage. Maybe we're gonna build, depends on the market. If the market say high, we're gonna build. If the market go down with the recession, we're not gonna build. This room, now there is just dump, but will be a laundry room for both apartments. With washing machine, drying machine, and space for a table, maybe to steaming. So we can go to the apartment on the second floor. Here on the right you have a room, but it's not really useful because has the floor with really deep loop. So probably we just put insulation, painting, and the apartment on this floor they can use for store. Okay, the apartment. Now the apartment, this door that access to the bathroom was closed. And this one was the entry door of the apartment, inside the kitchen. And you have already the sink on the left of the door. It's really ugly. And they have a refrigerator there, the stove there, and a pantry here with a really nice cabinet here. We're gonna keep this cabinet. And how was before, that was part of the bathroom. You're gonna go inside the bathroom here. This door was closed, was wall. There you have the bathtub, and from this door you access to the rest of the bathroom with the toilet on your left and the sink here. They did that one because otherwise this one is the door that you see on the stairs. Otherwise the door to access to the bedroom was outside of the apartment, as you see. I solved this problem because you have enough room. You're gonna put the entry door here that open this direction, so it's a safety when you stay on the close to the stairs. And I'm gonna remove this door so you have a huge access here. And that one will be the bathroom door. We gonna move the bathtub in that corner. For that one I changed this window, put PVC window, so will be okay inside the bathtub. This one would be the living room. And we're gonna keep this pantry so they can put stuff inside. They can put the couch here, and in this niche where is now the sink, they can put the TV. That corner another couch, I don't know. And this part of the bathroom will be a kitchen. So we're gonna close this door, put sheetrock, and all this wall will be kitchen cabinet with the sink, the range, and the cabinet. In this corner we're gonna put the refrigerator, and in this one they can put a little table to have to eat. We opened this door, so you have a 1 bedroom here. Close this wall, and the master bathroom with access from the living room will be this one, and it's a really large bedroom. So this apartment before was 1 bedroom apartment, now will be 2 bedroom apartments. Also here we're gonna put vinyl plank everywhere, so it's clean, easy to clean, easy to maintenance. Then I want to show you something. Do you see in the bathroom? There was a carpet. That one is something so disgusting because the carpet was also in all bathroom, also all around the toilet. This is disgusting. Thank you so much. Bye bye.